How to add trusted connections on Roblox on both PC or mobile device. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's get started. First thing first, move into application Roblox. Make sure that you are logged in into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, head over to More. Once you're in here, scroll down and move into Settings of Roblox. Inside Settings, head over to Account Information at the top. It will land you on this page. First thing first, you have to make sure that your age is verified. You can see my age has been verified already. So once it has been verified, now go back. Move into the home page of Roblox. Click on Connection. Tap on Add from QR code at the very top. Now you simply need to share this QR code with the person that you want to add as a trusted connection. Once they scan their QR code, that person will be added to your Roblox, and then you'll be good to go. So that's how you add trusted connection on Roblox. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial.